Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dell docking station to dual monitors, instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Dell docking station is powered on and connected to your laptop or desktop computer. Locate the video output ports on the back of your docking station. Check for HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA connections, depending on your monitors. Next, take your first monitor and identify its input ports. Connect the first monitor to the docking station using an appropriate cable. If using HDMI, plug one end into the monitor and the other end into the corresponding HDMI port on the docking station. For DisplayPort connections, follow the same procedure with a DisplayPort cable. If using VGA, connect the VGA cable from the monitor to the VGA port on the docking station. Now, repeat the connection process for the second monitor, ensuring you use a different port on the docking station. After both monitors are connected, power them on. On your computer, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Display Settings window, look for Multiple Displays. Select the option for Extend these displays to use both monitors as one large workspace. You'll see a visual representation of your monitors. Make sure they are arranged in order. If necessary, drag the monitor icons to match the physical arrangement on your desk. Click Apply to save the changes. If you encounter any issues, check that all cables are securely connected and that the monitors are set to the correct input source. You should now see a seamless dual monitor setup ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.